The Arocs cabs. With a total of 14 cab variants, the new Arocs meets every conceivable requirement in construction transport. The 2300 wide Arocs cab variants offer clearly laid out controls for every standard construction application, along with simple and accurate handling and great driving comfort. The S-cab has the most compact dimensions among the different Arocs cabs, followed by the medium-sized cab, which is longer and therefore offers increased space, for example, for a folding bunk. For applications that involve more on-road use or where comfort is more important, the Arocs is available with various L-cabs that are 2.5 and 2.3 meters wide. These are also suitable for jobs that involve stopovers of one or more nights. As you can see, with a total of 14 cab variants, the new Arocs offers a suitable solution for every conceivable requirement in construction transport. The Arocs, the new force in construction.